Now, we say you bow to the king's statue. Or else. Oh! Ow! 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 Ow!
Oh, you're just trying to scare them with empty threats.
Empty threats? Soldier! Tell the king Namtar reports the ceremony is ready to proceed. Oh, and Apsu says so too.
Guys, you're making way too big a deal out of this whole statue thing. I say, just don't go to the ceremony.
As the king's officials, we must attend.
But if we bow down to this idol, we are being disobedient to our God. Obedience to God is always the right thing to do, no matter the consequences.